Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I have got a pallet from Via Trading. This is a special pallet. I got some really cool offers for you, but we're going to be unboxing this whole pallet. It's a really cool pallet of like clean customer returns. General merchandise load is what it's called. We bought two pallets actually. This is one of two. We paid $1,500, a little over $1,500 for both of them, plus freight. So, and the freight changes depending on where you live. So I'm going to give you all the cool info about this pallet in just a minute, and we'll unbox it. Alright, so the special things that I have about this pallet and the next pallet we're going to do is we ordered this in a special situation. We are partnering with Via Trading so that we can offer discounts to my customers specifically. So literally, you can go to Via Trading. The link is down in the description below, and so you can get $50 off $250 or more. So it's not that hard to buy $250 worth of stuff from this wholesaler. They also carry cases. So if you don't want to do a huge pallet like this, you can also buy a case or a box, and they do have boxes that are over $250. That's where we've gotten some of our jewelry before. We've gotten some of our makeup before. Clothing before. So they have all sorts of stuff like that. This is a general merchandise load. It's supposed to be clean customer returns, but a lot of it's supposed to still be in its original packaging so that we can sell it just that way. But the link is down in the description below, and the $50 off promo code is, literally they made it for me, hooked. So when you click on the link, you're going to go to a landing page. You ever click on a link and you're like, am I in the right place? Well, they specifically made one for our customers. So you're actually going to see videos of me opening Via Trading pallets in the past so you can get an idea of what they have. So it actually will have videos from Hooked on Pickin on it. Our logo is on it. Our links are all on it. That way you know you're in the right place. And there's even a button to just click so that you can get that $50 off $250.
And I think this video is going to be on there.
Yeah, we're going to try
eventually.
To get this video, as soon as we get it all out there, I think they're going to link this particular video on the landing page, so you'll probably see it. All right, enough of my talking about that. I'll mention it a couple more times, but let's go ahead and see. Do you even want to buy from Via Trading? Let's see what kind of stuff they got.
In this pallet, there's supposed to be some larger items, and I'm excited about that for our retail store.
Yep.
Whatever we can ship, of course, we're definitely going to ship.
It'll probably be on our fire sale. James is here. He's going to help us carry some things.
We have this pallet here. It's all in black there. And we have also this pallet over here. See the huge rugs on that thing? That's going to be awesome over there. But did well on these pallets. Feel good. They're fully manifested, so you can look and see what you're buying.
Yep.
To a certain degree, it's like they don't have pictures, but you can like highlight the name and then search for it. I've done that a couple of times, so works out pretty well.
All right, they do a really good job of like putting this together so that it doesn't get broken. What is this big metal thing?
Here we go. Like I said, there are some big things, but that might be something that you could Facebook Marketplace if you don't have a retail location.
Right, I have no idea what this is. Can you help me, James?
That could be a, what's it say on the box?
Well, this is a top. This is just a.
Is that the top to that there? That could be a grill or a griddle. Burning gas something. James will help us.
Here, pull that piece of paper out, James.
There's a blue thing that might be stopping it there. I think, is that a piece of clothing?
Yeah, this is an extra small Reebok hooded sweatshirt.
Sweatshirt?
Yep, what's that there?
Got some clothing jammed in there a little bit.
This is like, I think a furniture cover.
That's the tarp. I bet you this is the tarp that goes with the grill.
I think we have a picture.
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead and pull that out.
So is it a grill or a griddle?
It's a gas griddle.
Gas griddle?
Ooh, remember our friends they cook their taco stuff on that, remember?
Yeah.
It's like one of those hibachi griddle type of things.
That'd be cool. If it's a huge griddle, we do it for Easter on for our sunrise breakfast.
We have some tissue paper as well.
Tissue paper. Merry Christmas tissue paper.
Yep. All right,
Christmas right around the corner. 300 some odd days away.
I'm trying, but it seems to be attached somehow.
Yeah.
Or it's just heavy.
It might just be heavy.
Oh yeah.
It's in this box.
This thing's a beast.
Maybe we better double lift.
James will probably go ahead and build this for us at some point. Here.
Double lift it, James.
You good? You got it?
Or he carries it.
So that's the top portion probably of the griddle.
Of the grill. Wow, that's a fancy one.
So then we'll put it together and see why was it
Is that
returned.
Sam's?
I think that's Sam's.
Yeah.
I'm not 100. That might just be some other
I think
brand.
it's Sam's.
I think it's taped back
That's
over
exactly
there.
what it is.
Look at this sucker. This is
Wow.
awesome. It looks good.
Yes, it does.
It doesn't look like it's been used.
Mm-mm.
That's nice.
That's awesome.
This might have been a gift for somebody and then they didn't like it, but no, I don't think this has been used, James.
Yeah.
Does it look like it's been
We're just
used
gonna
to you?
leave this in the
No,
box.
I don't think I can lift
Can
that.
you open the top portion of that over there, James?
Does
Yeah,
that
sure.
open?
Here, we're going to open the top portion over here. There's that next pallet we'll open. That's got a lot more stuff in it. Let's see what this has got. I want to see if it's been used at all.
It's brand new to me.
It looks brand new, yeah. I don't think this has ever been used.
Yeah,
This is nice.
it is nice.
Well, this might not be for sale. We just might keep it. That'd be awesome.
That would be awesome.
Make some serious pancakes on
here's
that.
a really cool picture on the side.
Oh, that would have been helpful to know.
Yes.
Let's see if I can get close for you guys to see that there. Boom.
There's nothing underneath it. No. It goes straight down to the pallet.
I don't know how much this would have cost. There's a barcode here. You want to scan it just for fun?
Yeah. Why not?
See the barcode on the side here?
All right. Let's see.
I bet you it would have
What's
been...
your guess, James, of how much it's worth?
At least $3 million.
$3 million?
I'm thinking, what do you think? 400 something, maybe?
I think it's $1,000.
I'll go 500.
Oh, hold on.
I went low. Try eBay. Maybe you can scan it on eBay. It might not be on Amazon because it's too big.
Oh, it could be. Yeah, they don't
Yeah,
ship it.
they won't ship it.
Yeah.
So, look at the wheels poking out the bottom of that box over there. Did it pop up at all for you? Didn't pop up.
Yeah. Number 12.
It's gotta be something. Just look it up. I'm curious.
Grass skittle?
It's a grass skittle.
It's a grass skittle.
Grass skittle. It
Okay.
gittles grass.
Mm.
Yes, yes indeed.
You always need a
Members
grass
Mark
skittle.
Pro Series 5 burner gas skittle.
She said grass again.
I did say grass. Hold on, let me.
You're not on grass, are you? Because that's wrong.
Yeah. Gas grill. Okay, here we go. Oh, here it is at Sam's Club. $700. That looks like it, doesn't it?
I think that's it, yeah.
This one here?
It's either that or the $1,100 one.
Let's see.
So you're looking at probably 700.
That looks like it.
Looks very similar to
Yeah.
it, yeah. So was it 7?
Yep.
$700. Yep. So James will have to build that. I think if we build it and put it in the store, it'll sell pretty quickly
We
for
even
us.
have a like a griller set that we could sell with it.
Now we won't probably get 700 for it,
Right.
but we'll probably get, what do you figure, at least 400?
Yeah.
Probably get 400 for
Right.
it. So not bad.
Yeah, that's
I'll
cool.
take it.
All right, what's this one?
Want to let James pick it up there, Heather?
It's not very heavy.
That's his job.
What is it?
Don't steal his job.
Wait, it's one of those basketball hoops.
Yeah, it is.
What? Okay, this might be going in the youth room.
I know.
I feel like this needs to go in the youth room.
that's really
Give the whole
funny.
pallet to everything in our church.
Yes. There.
That's a double one.
Yeah.
So you verse somebody in that
Yeah.
one.
That's,
Does it have the countdown too?
It has some kind of scoreboard on it.
Easy fold 2-player basketball game, 1 set.
Does it look like it's even been opened?
I don't think so.
That looks cool.
Yeah.
That might be a after Christmas. You know how sometimes stores will do that? They'll put the big
I'm
items.
gonna let you move that, James.
got it.
Yep. How about you scan it first?
Okay.
Just to see if it's got any, what the value is on it there.
Let's see.
I bet you this pallet had the big items. That pallet,
Has
all the smalls.
Yeah.
Because there's supposed to be like 90 items in this load.
Okay.
But I bet you this pallet right here with the big gas burner, that took up the majority of that pallet. So.
It looks like it's selling for, oh, here's a great picture.
Great picture for it?
Yeah. See?
Oh, that would be cool.
It says electronic LED for scoring. It comes with 4
Yeah.
balls, so it's
What's it going for?
$176.
$176. We can at
Yeah.
least get 100 for it at least.
Yeah.
And brand new in the box. It'll go.
Yeah, so it does look like it's electronic.
Yep.
All
Cool.
right, now you can take it, James.
James is very strong.
He is very strong. All right. What else is this?
What you got there?
Ooh, are these? These are containers.
Is that just all the little stickers that go with it?
Yeah. Look at these.
Kaboom.
So it comes. Oh, and then when you put it down, fold the handle down. It's suction cups closed.
Neat.
So it's got all different sizes.
Those are pretty nice.
How many pieces?
It says 8-piece
Eight
flip
piece.
block storage containers.
Beautiful.
So yeah.
Take it to the church kitchen.
Yep. Since we're
We
giving
just
everything,
give the whole pallet to the church.
the whole pallet. The whole
Everything
pallet.
goes to the church.
Yes. All right, so we got that. There it is. Very light. Very, very light. Whatever's in here is very light. Condition is great.
That's awesome.
It's a mini car. We should take this home and be like, Faith, I bought your first car.
I was thinking we should make James ride this.
Yeah? He would break it.
That is sweet looking.
It is. Has all the buttons and stuff. Minnie Mouse.
Baking a cake. Because that's what you think of when you think of a car.
Yeah,
Baking a cake.
that's cool.
It is amazing.
What ages is it? Lights and sounds, activity ride-on. No assembly required. Clearly not. It's completely complete.
Beautiful.
Is that literally all that's on this pallet?
Yep.
That made sense with that big thing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm thinking? Why don't we go ahead? We won't do the whole other pallet, but let's. I know the big rugs. I think on top. We need to get those
Let's
off
at
there
least
and
look
see.
at those, and then we'll
Yeah.
take a peek into the first pallet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's
Yep.
do that, because I want to. All right, James, we're going to move here.
Yep.
I'm really curious about these. Gotta be careful not to cut 'em wherever they are.
Scan these.
Because look how long these suckers are.
Ready?
You want me to yank it out?
Yes, do it. Do it, James.
Just don't rip the packaging off of it.
Try my best.
Okay. It's kind of escaped. He's
There
got
you
it.
go.
He's got it. It's moving. It's moving. I believe in you, James.
Look at that. Just stay right there so I can get a good visual.
Oh my goodness.
That's a rug, my friends.
It's a large rug.
Large rug.
Let me see.
Massive. We've got, it looks like identical. Looks like I've got 3 of these.
Keep rolling. Keep rolling. There we go. We found it. We found a barcode, Paul.
Wonderful.
All right. Hold on. It doesn't like my barcodes today. All right. Yeah, doesn't say. It is 50%.
How about you look it up? I bet you if you go right
Four
here,
cents
there's you can get a name. I think
Okay. Tuscany area rugs.
Tuscany.
It's a 10 foot by 10 inch by 10 feet. So it's a huge one. All right, you can set that down.
Random 10-foot rug.
Tuscany area rug.
We're not shipping that, everybody.
Yes.
Sure.
Come on into the store. But it would be a good Facebook Marketplace thing if you don't do that. We will probably actually take photos of that and put it out there on Facebook Marketplace and just say, come pick it up in the store. That's the way to go.
Okay, I found some
Here's the
Tuscany rugs on.
picture of it. It's a big one. Would be nice, though.
It is what? 10 foot is one of the sizes. I'm going to see if I can find something comparable.
You're doing a great job.
Okay, so just a boring one that doesn't have any pattern, like ours is a lot prettier, is going for $330.
I could see that. It's just a
Yeah.
huge rug.
So
I remember,
do you
like,
have a bazooka now?
It's easier to hold this way.
Okay.
do you feel cool, though?
I do.
You do feel cool.
This looks a lot like it. Well, that does look like it. Yeah, so it's going to be like around the
At least $300.
Yes.
Well, we've been selling rugs nowhere near like that for.
Yeah.
We've sold rugs for $100 in the store, and they didn't look anything like that.
Yeah.
Not that big.
And
So
the cool thing about them is these are all the same.
Yep.
Because a lot of people like to do a couple
Correct.
of different spaces and have the same pattern.
and if you're watching, and
Let's go ahead and pull the rest of these 2 rugs in, and we'll take a sneak peek in the
I'm
top.
trying to think, there's no way I can ship that.
No.
There's no way.
There's no way I could ship
I
that.
mean-
I could wrap it in brown paper, but I'm trying to think for anybody that would want to buy it that's watching right now.
Well,
Come to Hooked on Pickin.
I tell you what, send
Might
us
be
an
worth the
email
trip.
If you feel, yeah, come to Hooked on Pickin.
Might be
That'd
worth the
best way.
trip
Hold on,
just
let
to
me see
take
if I
the
can just cut
take the
this.
trip, and you can go home with a 10-foot rug. Just remember, your car's got to be longer than 10 feet.
Man,
It's so thick.
They packed this down.
Yeah, they did. Well, you had to with this.
It's got some weight to it, I know.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, almost. Okay.
I remember when we were visiting Via Trading, I remember them filling these crates up.
Yeah.
Really cool to watch them do it, too.
Yep.
We did a tour of Via Trading years
if you go
ago.
back and look on our channel, you can find it.
Yep.
Oh, if you're in California, anywhere near the LA area, you definitely just want to go, because we talked about this. These 2 pallets are $1,500 plus freight. How about you don't pay freight at all and just go pick it up?
Yeah.
Even if you have a small vehicle, they'll let you unpack the pallet and like Jenga it in your car. We
They're
watched
awesome.
people do that. Nicest people you want to meet. But I would say go to Via Trading, because then they have a ton of stuff even on the website that you can't even see.
I wish we had the ability to do that, too,
Yes.
you know, with
Yep.
what we could see there.
I do too.
You want to do like 1 or 2 items here?
I have had people coming in bugging me about a Dyson, because we got a Dyson in one of our other
Yeah,
pallets.
one of the pallets
It
we did.
sold really fast.
We need to open this, though.
Yeah, this
You
one.
want to have James pick that up over there, move it over there, and then we'll open that.
Yeah.
And then let's do like this one and maybe one more item, and then we'll...
Then we'll finish the rest of this pallet next time.
Yep.
Let's see if this one's been used. That's the biggie with vacuums, is you always have to double check.
Yep. And we are having a fire sale tomorrow, so don't forget about that.
Yep. Remember, promo code HOOKED if you want $50 off order of $250 or more.
On the
look.
Via Trading here.
On Via Trading.
This looks beautiful.
Oh, it's purple.
Normally you
red.
can tell here if it's been
Yeah.
used. It does not seem to be.
Yeah.
I think you're right there. Because this is just...
Yeah, that's all on the
It's
outside.
exterior dust,
That's
yeah.
exterior dust. This does look good. We like it when you find it still in its original boxes like this. This is nice.
Yep.
Very good.
Now that one will probably pop up on scanning, because it's a Dyson. So let's see how much, if
Probably.
you were to buy it on Amazon, how much would you pay for it? Because you know you're not going to pay that at hookedonpickin.com.
Correct.
All right.
Are you wanting to ship this? We might be able to
we
ship
might be
that.
able to
Might
just
be
ship
able
it
to.
and- yeah.
We'll have to see.
All right. It wasn't on Amazon, probably just different barcodes
Yeah.
sometimes. But it's going for $265
On
on
eBay. So you know on Amazon is probably almost double that.
It's probably $400, yeah.
Yep.
So-
I'm happy so far with what we found.
All right, let's look at one more thing in the palette, you think?
Yeah, I think that one more thing and then I'll round this out.
Here, there's something real big right here.
Then we need to go through all the promo stuff again.
Okay. This is neon combo skates. Oh, you can switch out regular roller skates to inline skates. See?
Digging it.
Adjustable sizes from 12 to 2. So they're kid sizes, like the size 12 for toddlers.
We have a skating rink not too far away from us. People still skate around us.
I know. Our first date, me and Paul's first date, was rollerblading.
We rollerbladed.
We
We
rollerbladed
sure did.
and talked, and he didn't grunt back at me like most boys did. He actually had full-on conversations, and so I was sold right then. Sold!
Wonderful.
He's the one.
Wonderful.
All right. Anyway, all right, so we're going to go through the rest of it. Just remember, you can click the link down in the description below for the landing page. You'll see us there, one of our videos there, plus you'll be able to see a bunch of other cool stuff. We're going to go through the rest of this palette. That'll be really fun to find out what else is in here and dig out all the goodies. And then, so you'll see that on our next unboxing. I think we'll do that Thursday. But go ahead and check out Via Trading. Click the link below. And then remember, HOOKED is the promo code word that you can get the $50 off an order of $250 or more. So check it out. There's a whole bunch of really fun things there. So thanks so much for joining us. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.